Today I show you how easy way from this old wood you can do new background for not so much money. You can have completely new background for photography, food, product or something else for not so much effort to do. Let's go. This background is old background wood from the old table, coffee table, the top. When I work somewhere, I find this on the street and I bring to my studio like 6 years ago and I use for photography. But this background have lot of scratch because I do many stuff on this photo, and second, change little the color what was before. And now when I photography, my background is the color do like orange, something like that. I don't like this effect on when I work on this background wood. I want to have nice background wood, what I can do rustical photos, rustical type of the photography. But with this background I have little problem, and later when I editing, I spend more time to editing this color the background, and I think it's time to change this background, but not throw the background, not throw the wood, but do little job on this background and make some completely new background for photography. The stuff what we need for change this background, we need some preparat, what is the paint and varnish remover for remove the old paint. And other things, we need the mask because this is very strong, and the best is work outside where you have air fresh all the time because it's very strong and dangerous the chemical. Another, we need the gloves, we need the brush, some scrub to remove later the old paint. Another things good have the mask. And after when we remove, we need some varnish, different color, wood eye or that's varnish, for put new color on your background or your wood, what you will be have different color the background and use later. I am ready. I have the brush. This is the paint varnish. Wait 1 hour. After this we start to scrub and remove old paint. We'll see how everything works. If doesn't work, you can put again this preparat for the remove the paint and wait 1 hour and remove. But before happen this, I have another tip for you for interesting background, wood background. Sometimes we see like wood is burned or something have interesting texture like here, and I done this myself. I have like piece the wood clean without any mark and texture, nothing on this, and I think I want to do something like that interesting for photography. What we will be need for do this, something fires that's small, believe me, the torch you can have for, you use this for in kitchen for make creme brulee, you use this, and some piece the wood. I have here one side is color, I painting this something long time ago, and now this side don't have the mark. I show you how to use this. We use the fire, be careful with the fire, of course. You use this torch and you make yourself easy mark how you want. Can be strong, can be smaller, only sometimes some places like you see here, or can be all wood. That, and believe me, do this very careful outside house or something or space, because there would little smell. But I think this is the amazing idea to do interesting background for your photography. This not must be background what you use normal for photography, can be background what you use in the back, something the wood in the far, and you can experiment do this with big piece on the wood. I have that before, a big piece of the wood, and I use for photography. And this is another cheap idea to do nice, interesting background, to use only one tools and some wood. But now we back for the table to remove the paint. I waiting 1 hour and I put another cover this paint remover because doesn't work. But now past 2 hours almost, and we'll see what's happened when I want to remove this paint from this wood. I don't see effect, something wrong. I don't think the wood go.
Yeah, maybe it's a few times you need to do, is it?
And maybe I need to do more time, but doesn't work with this preparat. Nothing. It's different color. Is one because normal was when we put was white color, yeah. But now is the color the wood was. I think I will be must to do like 2-3 times before we will be have effect what we want. But like you see, little change of course, and I will be cover another maybe tomorrow because today I don't have time. I have different plans, but I am not satisfaction with this. I will be do second time definitely. Today is second day when I work with this wood background. I used yesterday 2 times this preparat, but I think it doesn't work good. I must to do again that same. But today we are in my home because weather outside is not good, and I think I do this inside, and we will be put again the preparat on the wood and wait 1 hour and check what's happened. But I think maybe this time I put more preparat than I put last time. I already put 2 times this preparat and double than yesterday, and we'll see what's happened now when I want to remove the old paint. For me, like looks doesn't work what I want, but maybe I think wrong and will be work. Like you see the old paint go because it's so dark. Like you see the old paint go, but not completely what I want, and it's not this what I want. I want completely have clean wood, and I don't have that. Maybe I do something wrong, I don't know. I do this first time, and maybe my is mistake something to do with this wrong. I tried to remove almost the paint, what I use, but believe me, I am really disappointed how it looks this. This is not this what I expect to will be. Looks terrible for me. I don't know why it doesn't work, because the wood is so old, or what is the problem. Maybe you know, please let me know in the comment what I done wrong. I should sand now, I don't know, or something. That's why I buy this product, because I don't wanted to sand this wood. I wanted to go old the paint and later only use the paint and do this. And that looks my DIY project with this wood, what doesn't go with the plan. Please let me know in the comment what I done wrong, what you will be use. I use really this product, and this didn't work. I spent 2 days on this, and the color is still, the paint is still there. What I must do different to work on this, because I don't understand where I make mistake.